Hello, my tea timers, and welcome to another fun Friday, and also happy July 4th, American Day, the big boom. And in today's video, we're going to be reacting the insane fireworks gone wrong. Trust me, YouTube, all safety. They're professionals. They are aware from the circumstance, no consequences, nobody died or shit. Everything's right. They're all 21 plus. Everything's okay. But remember, the Piggy Marathon starts on July 14th. So go support it. And if it doesn't well, I'm only gonna do book one. Fuck book two. Because if book one does not do good in views, I don't even expect book two, bro. I don't even expect book two. So I'm gonna stop with the shenanigans and let's start with the same firework videos. I don't think one I think there's one down there, buddy. I think they're I think they're dead. I don't think
That's lame.
someone jinxed it. And look what happened. A big boom!
He couldn't wait until 4th of July.
I can't wait for 4th of July,
No voy a
bro.
volar eso para acá.
Hijo.
shit.
Ay, no, la perra. Mira, si pasó eso por el pie. Dame a Dulce, hijo.
Híjole. Oh, you started a war already. We're fucked. We lost the tower. 5 a.m. Don't worry, these are all jokes. Don't worry. Don't fuck. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you too. Oh wow. What's a oh. Oh no. Honestly, dangerous, but it's kind of cool. Kind of cool, not to be honest.
What?
What the fuck does he run like that? Wait, fuck does he run like that? Just wait. HD, obviously.
It's on! Yo! Hey, yo, look!
Bro, he literally runs from the fucking guy for the chance of meatballs, bro. What the fuck? Goofy ass laugh. Wait, I ain't bullying.
What? What we doing?
I don't bully. Oh wow. Oh shit. They started world. I'm telling you, all these shenanigans, it's gonna start World War Three. This is the beginning of World War Three. Oh no. There's a dog that saw a damn light. I think that dog is cooked. Physically and literally. He cooked.
Goodbye, my nigger. Back to the lobby.
I need to go back to Mexico, bro. I don't know if this is war, a thunderstorm, or fireworks. But I think this is fireworks. I hope. Oh, it is fireworks then.
We're saying goodbye to 2012. Oh, wow. It's not going. It's not going. Wow.
Fucking hell, David. The cats.
Oh, the cat died in. We lost a cat.
Wow, what the hell was that?
2020.
I'm a bet that they aim at them. The firework goes over there. Yep.
Yeah, this is more safe.
This boring ass fire. Look. I don't think I'll have fireworks this year. They're all busy, bro. I'm gonna go fucking go all the way go So I'm disappointed. I'm gonna walk 2 blocks over there and get the child fireworks. I'm gonna be disappointed.
Oh, oh.
This is why we don't play with
This is all war,
fireworks.
bro. It's all war. I'm telling you. Fuck is that gonna do? He dead. That little firework killed that, bro. Killed that, bro. He already died. That he already died. He dead. Oh, we're in India. I think that's what it is. Oh shit. Isn't that bad.
Send the napalm!
Now this is war. This is the thing that I want to do, bro. It's not that. Oh wow. Oh no. Now that's war. Oh wow. So pretty. But it's telling me wait again. Something bad could happen. Maybe the firework starts a fire. That's it. That's it, really? Maybe wait 30 seconds just for that shit? Nothing? Oh wow. Oh shit. That shit's all war. Oh shit. Oh that tree's dead. 100%. You're just at this point we're starting to go forest fire. But that does sound like fun, to be honest. But hey, fireworks are fireworks. Who cares if people get hurt? Actually, yeah, people cares if people get hurt. Remember, be careful for fireworks. Be careful. Don't forget about everything. I want to blow something up. I don't know why. Alright, my tea timers, thank you for watching this interesting video. But a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow my social medias. And remember, Making Marathon July 14. Doing all the chapters. And if it does well, then we'll 100%. Then we'll 100% complete the game. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Soy el mejor en México como Cruz Azul. Tea Time con mi YouTube. Me mantengo cool, 3 videos por semana, cada cual un hit. Con contenido fresco no hay quien se resista a mí.